Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we start, I have some activity to prepare to you. I have here a scrambled words. Can you guess it? What is this? Okay, that's correct. Our topic for today's video is about Code of Ethics of Professional Teachers. Article 11 RA Note 7386, otherwise known as the Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act 1994. In the paragraph, Section 6, PD Note 223, as amended, the Board for Professional Teachers hereby adopt the Code of Ethics for Professional Teachers. Before I proceed to Article 1, the scope and limitation, I will state first the preamble. Preamble. Teachers and professionals with dignity, moral values, and technical competence, adhering to ethical and professional standards. Article 1. Scope and limitations. Section 1 and 2 applies to all teachers in public and private school at all levels, including vocational and administrative personnel. Article 2. The teachers in the state. Section 1. Teachers help shape future citizens and promote national pride and morality. Section 2. Must support and uphold state policies. Section 3. Required to be physically, mentally, and morally fit. Section 4. Must show full commitment to duty. Section 5. Cannot promote political, religious, or partisan interests. Section 6 and 7. Must vote and not use their position for political influence. Section 8. Enjoy academic freedom for must report finding against state policies. Article 3. The teachers and the community. Section 1. Ensure a learning conducive environment. Section 2. Engage in community betterment activities. Section 3. Maintain honor and dignity, avoid vices. Section 4. Respect and understand local customs. Section 5. Keep the community informed about the schoolwork. Section 6. Act in intellectual leaders and offer guidance. Section 7. Foster good relationships with professionals and officials. Section 8. Freedom of worship without proselytizing. The teacher in the profession. Section 1 and 2. Ensure teaching remains the noblest profession and uphold high standards. Section 3. Engage in continuous professional development. Section 4. Seek support only through proper channels. Section 5. Use the profession as a dignified means of living. Article 5. The teacher in the profession. Section 1. Promote professional loyalty and cooperation. Section 2. Guide your credit to others' work. Section 3. Ensure smooth transition with leaving a profession. Section 4. Maintain confidentiality of school records. Section 5 and 6. Address unethical conduct with evidence in proper channels. Section 7. Apply for positions based on merit. Section 6. The teacher and the higher authorities. Section 1. Support school policies regardless of the personal views. Section 2. Avoid false accusations. Valid complaints must be submitted under oath. Section 3. Follow proper channels for transactions. Section 4 and 5. Seek for treatment and appointment and promotions. Section 6. Honor employment and contracts.
So let's move on to Article 7, which is the school officials, teachers, and other personnel. Section 1. Maintain professional courtesy and cooperation. Section 2 to 3. Work together in policy making and professional growth. Section 4 to 5. Dismissals and hiring must follow due process. Article 8. The teacher and learners. Section 1. Grade learners fairly and address complaints properly. Section 2 to 3. Prioritize students' welfare and avoid discrimination. Section 4 to 5. Do not accept gifts or unauthorized tutorial payments. Section 6. Evaluate students based on merit. Section 7. Avoid improper relationships with students. Section 8. Prohibit corporal punishment and unjust deductions. Section 9. Help students solve academic and personal issues. Article 9. The teacher and parents. Section 1. Build positive relationships with parents. Section 2. Inform parents tactful about student progress. Section 3. Listen to parents' concerns fairly. Article 10. The teacher and the business. Section 1. Engage in business without compromising teaching duties. Section 2. Maintain financial integrity. Section 3. Avoid conflicts of interest in school-related businesses. Article 11, the teacher as a person. Section 1, live with dignity at all times. Section 2, uphold self-discipline. Section 3, maintain a respectable personality. Section 4, acknowledge God as the guide of destiny. Article 12, disciplinary action. Section 1, violations may result in license revocation, suspension, reprimand, or permit cancellation. And lastly, Article 13, effectivity. Section 1 takes effect upon approval and publication. And that concludes the article and section of the Codes of Ethics and Professional Teachers.